one thing about the rich, they don't necessarily have to work hard, but they work really smart. So in this video, I'm going to be helping you as a low-income earner in the UK, particularly, my tribe, care assistants, and, other care workers in the UK who have been working really hard. I'm going to teach you a trick that some of the rich people, especially those in the UK, that they use to build wealth. They just use their money to make more money. If you're from Nigeria, for instance, and you have used what is called treasury bills to save your money, I did that so many times. You save like a huge amount of money with the bank. The bank, trades with your money, and they give you some amount up front. They give you a particular percentage of your capital, of your investment up front. And by the end of a stated period of time, sometimes 6 months or 1 year, you will get your capital back. So something similar to that is also available in the UK, and I'm sure a lot of people do not know about it. You have a lump sum somewhere, or you're looking for ways to save your money in the UK. You don't want to save your money in your, regular bank account where it's not yielding any interest for you. As little as £25 in your bank account, that is not an emergency fund. That you can actually keep somewhere over a period of time, and as much as £50,000 in your account that you're looking to save somewhere. Maybe you're already saving in your ISA account, ISA savings account, or any other account. You've saved a lump sum there, and you have not decided what to do with that money yet. And the money has already got all the interest because, we are approaching the end of the tax year. So there's something you can do with that lump sum. But you can also do this with as little as £25. My name is Ms. Bimbo. I'm a Nigerian trained pharmacist and a UK care assistant, and I share tips on how to migrate to the UK and other countries, as well as navigating life as a migrant in the UK. So if these are topics that tickle your fancy, of course, please do well to like, share this video out, and consider subscribing to this channel. Just this morning, I saw a report of, the previous draw, the last draw, which is the March draw, and I was blown away. So I decided to come and make a video about it, just to, create awareness and to let you know that there's a way you can make your money work for you and build wealth, even as migrants in the UK. It's called NS&I Premium Bonds. It's a unique savings option that is offered by the UK's National Savings and Investment, NS&I. It's actually government approved, like I said, and you would see that you will find it easily on UK Gov websites. So how does it work? I'll quickly run through how it works. But before then,
what I won on the premium bonds in the past 12 months. Premium bonds, if you don't know, are a savings scheme from NS&I, which stands for National Savings and Investments, and it's a government-backed institution where you don't earn any interest, but you got the chance to win tax-free cash prizes every month. When I made a video about my winnings last year, everyone said I worked for NS&I and that this was all made up, but it's not. These are my real winnings.
So today it's premium bond day. Does anybody else do this? Let's see. This is Jim's. Have you won, Jim? You've won. Oh, spring has sprung.
One of two.
£25.
And
£125. It's not bad, is it? See if I've won. Oh, can't forget it. You ready for this, Jim? Spoiled it then already. Right, here we go. I've won. Woo! £100. Hey, that ain't bad. So that's £225 between us this month. You can't get that interest in a bank account.
Just today, 4th of March 2025, NS&I has confirmed details for premium bond winners for the month of March 2025. Unfortunately for me, I didn't win anything for this month. But do you know that every month, 2 lucky individuals will receive the top prize of £1 million from NS&I lottery. So if you have been playing, Naira bets, Niger bets, all those lotteries, this is a safer lottery. It's like lottery, but it's government approved. Your capital is safe. It's like you're saving your money in a bank account, but it's a bond this time around. The first 1 million premium bonds winner this month of March is from Cumbria. The bond value that this person purchased, I mean the money that this person put in this bond account, was £35,000 in August 2020. And just March 2025, this person has won £1 million. It's tax free, meaning that government is not going to take any tax out of the £1 million that this person has won. So his money is now making £1,035,000 in his NSNI accounts, and he has access to all of these funds. And guess what? The second prize winner is from Cleveland in North Yorkshire, and this particular winner is very outstanding. The winner owes just £100 in his or her premium bonds. I don't know if it's a man or a woman. And this money was obtained in May 2023. I mean, this person just kept £100 in his NSNI account for how long now? Less than 2 years. And just March 2025, he now has £1,100,000 in that premium bonds account. And this could be you. It's not gender based, it's not racial based. They don't even know who you are. They don't know who is who. So anybody can actually win this money. I'm going to leave the link to this report in the description for you to also read more about it and check out what it entails and all you need to do. Is this just about the £1 million jackpot? No, there are several other prizes that you can win. Among the cash prizes up for grabs include £100,000. So you can win as much as £100,000, 50,000, 10,000, up to £25 every month. So unlike other savings accounts, maybe your cash ISA or several other accounts, premium bonds, you don't have to pay interest. They don't pay you interest. All they offer you is security of your savings. Your capital is backed up by HM Treasury, and you have potential of winning prizes, tax-free money every month. If you are looking to build a savings habit in 2025, premium bonds offers you accessibility to do that. With a minimum investment of £25, each £1 of your money is entered into a monthly draw where savers have chance to win tax-free prizes, ranging from £25 up to £1 million. However, every 22,000 draws, there would be one winner. So that means that the likelihood of winning increases with the number or the amount of bonds that you have bought. So the more the savings you have, the more likely that you're going to win in a draw. However, the draws is regardless of how much you have. It's just like if you play bets, Naira bet a lot, you will know what I mean. £1 that you invest in premium bonds will give you a unique bond number. So when you get that unique bond number after you have deposited your money there, this number is entered into a monthly prize draw. And you may be lucky to get, a tax-free prize. And every bond has, equal chances of winning, regardless of the amounts that you have invested. When I say invested, I mean regardless of the amount that you have saved. Purchasing premium bonds is quite straightforward, and how you can go about it is you can simply type nsni.com, or you go to UK.gov and search for NSNI. It will take you directly to NSNI websites, and you can simply just follow all the instructions, and you can use the website to deposit your money, and thereafter you can set direct debit. If you don't want to put a lump sum, you can just start out with £25, £100, and subsequently you can keep saving there. But if you have a lump sum, you can just put it all at once. You can even buy bonds online, you can buy it over the phone, you can buy it by email. So once you purchase your money or your bonds, after a month you're entered into a draw and you can win. There is no guarantee that you will win, but it's a chance of 1 to 22,000. So premium bonds offer you excitement of potential wins, but it's essential for you to understand that you don't get regular interest, like on a monthly basis. You don't get additional money. All you get is draws and possibility of winning. Your money is safe, so you don't have to worry about losing your capital. You can't lose your capital, and you can actually withdraw your money anytime. So there's flexibility of withdrawing your money anytime that you want to. You can withdraw all your money or withdraw part of your money. You won't be penalized for withdrawing your money. So if you're a care worker like me, and you're seeking for ways to make your money work for you and to build wealth, you can consider exploring the NS&I premium bonds option. However, I would like to reiterate here that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I've shared in this video are just based on my personal experience and research I have made. Remember that while this NS&I offers you potential rewards, you should complement your broader savings strategy, because there's no guaranteed interest. And also make sure you have accessible funds for emergencies, and understand that premium bonds don't provide you regular interest, like I said, and it may not be suitable for everybody as a result of that. So you may need to seek financial advice from a professional before investing in NS&I. If you have watched this video up to this point, I'd like to say a very big thank you to you. And if you're yet to subscribe or like or share this video, please consider liking, share it out so that it gets to more people. And don't hesitate to smash the subscribe button if you like what you have watched. And also, if you have any question regarding NS&I and savings generally, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be able to help you as much as I can, based on my own personal experience and little research that I have made in the past. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.